Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you all? I think you are all fine. So I have tell that I will be showing a gameplay of a game, and the gameplay is Garena Free Fire. So guys, today I will be playing a class squad game, and I will be doing a challenge. And the challenge is random G18 challenge. In this challenge, you can only use G18 in the game, and I will be playing around 1 or 2 matches. So let's start. In every round, either I have got a rifle or any assault gun, I will only use G18. If you have not understand, only see the game, and then you will understand that what is about G18 challenge. So guys, this is the G18 as you can see. So let's start. The round have start. I will only use G18, and I think oh 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 oh, let me handle this. Oh no. Yeah, guys, we have done it. We have done 3 kills. So guys, I will buy only G18. As you can see, I have buy G18 one more time because there were less ammo in G18. That G18. Here you can see this G18. So again, I will be showing that. See, G18. Guys, please like this video, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So guys, I was saying that please, if you are new to my channel, like and subscribe, like to this video and share this video as much you can. So one more time, I will buy G18 only because this is the challenge name is only G18. Guys, I know I am making videos very after long very time, but soon I will be making videos on in short time, and I will be posting on YouTube. But enjoy this video. Oh no, oh no, they are seeing me. Oh no, oh no.
First blood.
Oh no. M187. Come on, Shalish. You can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Oh no. That view was very low. That is why. But never matter. Nothing matter. Right. One more time, G18. As we know. Guys, as you can see, G18 only. I will not take M4 even. Oh no. Guys, let's see. Can we win this round? Yes. Yes. So guys, the last. And guys, I know that I have got 98 and this gun MP40 and I have taken out also from my backpack. I think I've got this helmet. Yes guys, come on. We can win this round. Come on guys, I have done almost 10 kills. Come on guys, come on. Give a like for this 8 kills. Come on guys, come on. Oh, oh no. Shit man. I think I have to go because if I'm not going, they will be killing me. I think he has gone. Let me handle this. Let me. No.
Double kill.
Oh no. Guys, this match can go anywhere. And I don't want to lose because it is my first video of a gameplay, so I don't want to lose. But if I lose, it will be a very bad start for me because, as you know, a gameplay of a game starting a lose, very bad will be for me. But I know how to win this because I have done very lots of practice. Guys, I think I have to go to kill them. Oh no. Shit, guys. Shit, guys. Guys, I'm dead. Yeah, killing, but nothing happened because there's 3 players left, and in their team there's 2. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, we have won. We have won it. Guys, we have done it. And guys, this was the gameplay and the challenge of G18. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please like and share this video. Share to this video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, we have done the most kills. Wow, what a surprise. Yeah. And we have got a booyah victory. Guys, that's all for today. Bye bye.